Good morning, Algebra 2 students. I have James here to introduce today's lesson. Hi, everybody. So, today in class, we're going to start the second half of Chapter 6. So, if you look in the folder, I made a Chapter 6 Part 2 folder, and we're going to do all the sections, just 6.5 to 6.8, starting with 6.5, 2 days of that. So, we'll do 6.5, day 1 today, just a regular lesson along with assignment. There's a note sheet if you have access to a printer and wanted to print that off while doing notes. The only other thing I should probably mention, there is a POL from the first part of Chapter 6. So if you are unhappy with your score on that, you can get working on this POL. Also email me if you're planning to retake, because I will make test corrections to go over your first attempt and what went wrong. So just email me right away and I can get on that as soon as today. Just another note, the back half of Chapter 6, we are not going to have another summative test. We will go through this material, but we're just going to do a formative test just because we're coming right up to the end of the semester. So I want you to focus on, if you need to, retake Chapter 6.1 to 6.4, and then also focus on the final, which will be 25 questions cumulative of all the things we've learned. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.